In this video, I'm going to explain how to create this kind of flange pipe bin using the SolidWorks. Okay, this is the 2D drawing for this flange pipe bin. I will give link to download this document in my video description. Okay, let's see how to create this model. Okay, go to File, New, Part Drawing, click OK. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create this pipe section. To create the pipe section, I'm going to use swept boss base command in SolidWorks. So, first of all, I'm going to draw this pipe axis on the front plane. Then I'm going to draw the cross section on the top plane. Then I'm going to use the swept boss base command to create the pipe part. Okay, first of all, let's draw the pipe axis. Here, the 150mm, 260mm arc radius, and here 150mm. Okay, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw the vertical line. To draw the arc, start from this point, take this dip away from this point and take it again coincide with this point. Now take it out. Here you can see arc created in this way. Okay, then draw the horizontal line, click OK. Okay, then next we are going to dimension this one. 150mm, 150mm. This arc radius 260mm, 260mm. Here you can see this vertical line and the arc are taken as tangent. If not tangent, you have to make it tangent. But in here you can see there is not tangent. So select this line with the control button, select the arc and make it tangent. Okay, now it's okay. Now we are having the fully defined sketch. Okay, then exit sketch. Okay, then next I am going to draw the pipe cross section. The outer diameter 290, inner diameter 210. This cross section I am going to draw it on top plane. Select the top plane, go to sketch. Okay, let's draw the cross section. Here the 290. Click OK. So then exit sketch. Okay, here you can see we are having the cross section and the path. So then we are going to take this cross section along this path to create the volume. So we are going to use this swept boss base command to create the volume. Here you can see the already sketch 2 is selected. That means the profile already selected. If not selected, you have to select that one. For the path, I am going to select this one. Here you can see the preview. Okay, click OK. Here you can see the pipe section. Okay, then now we are going to draw the flanges. For the flanges, you can see the dimension is called flanges 360mm and this corner radius 20mm. Okay, select this face, go to sketch. So I'm going to select the square flange, center rectangle. Then these dimensions 360mm. This one also 360mm. Click OK. So then go to sketch fillet. The fillet radius is equal to 20mm. Then select these 4 corners. Okay, click OK. So then to do the pipe hole, here draw the pipe hole. The inner diameter of the pipe is equal to 210mm. Okay, So then I'm going to draw this holes for bolt. Here it is a countable hole with the major diameter 60 mm and the primary diameter 30 mm pass through, and countable depth is equal 10 mm. Okay. This dimension 60 mm. $30 mm. Okay. Then dimension, here you can see the 50 mm from the edge. $50 mm, because its center lie on this diagonal of the square. So this dimension, that means from this edge to this center dimension already taken. Okay, then to draw the other 3 holes, I'm going to use the mirror command. Before use this command, I'm going to draw the mirror axis. So I'm going to use the insert line command. So the horizontal axis, midpoint line. Here this is the horizontal axis, and also the vertical axis I'm going to draw. Here this is the vertical axis. Click OK. Okay. So then I'm going to use the mirror command. First of all, I'm going to mirror above this vertical axis. Select this mirror above cage and select this line. So then entities to mirror these 2 circles I'm going to mirror. Select these 2 circles. Click OK. Okay. Then again I'm going to use the mirror command to mirror about this horizontal axis. Then select these edges. Entities. Yeah. Click OK. Okay. Here you can see we are having a fully defined sketch to create the pipe flange. So now we are ready to extrude. Click on this extrude command. The reverse the direction. The extrude thickness equal to 50 mm. Here you can see 50 mm. Then contours to extrude. Select these contours. Click OK. Here you can see the flange created, but these holes should be a countable hole. So to create that one, I'm going to select the Extrude Cut. Select the previous sketch, this one. The countable depth is equal 10 mm. Give 10 mm and select this contours. Click OK. Here we can see the flange created. But here it is a chamfer edge, no? Yeah. The chamfer edge with 10 mm chamfer edge. Click OK. And also this edge should be a fillet edge. Fillet 10 mm fillet edge. Okay, this is the complete flange for this end. Okay, then we are going to draw the flange for this next end. So I'm going to copy this sketch, previously drew sketch, and paste it in here. So first of all, let's go to the sketch, right click and go to edit sketch. Using the mouse, select all the entities and the dimensions. Hit Ctrl C and exit sketch. Then select this face. Then go to sketch. So then hit Ctrl V to paste. Here you can see all the entities and dimensions copied to this plane. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this drawing to align this sketch with the proper place. First of all, I'm going to draw the center in here, circle center. Here I'm going to align this point, sketch center point with this circle center. Select both the point using the control with the control, then click coincide. Here you can see we are having the fully defined sketch. Okay, now we are ready to extrude this one. Okay, click extrude. Okay, the reverse the direction and the extrude thickness, flange thickness is equal to 50 millimeter. Then select these contours. Click OK. Then again this hole should be a countable hole. So click on Extrude Cut. Select the faced sketch 4. Then select this area. Click OK. Sorry, countable depth we have to give. So right click, then edit features. This depth should be 10 millimeter. Okay. Here you can see the flange. Then this edge should be a chamfer edge with the 10 millimeter dimension. Click OK. This edge should be a fillet edge, the 10 millimeter. Okay. This is how we are creating this kind of flange pipe bend using SolidWorks. Okay, let's change the appearance of the inner surface. Let's change the material. The chrome plated inner. Let's take it's a chrome plated inner and chrome plated, and select this surface faces. Select this face, this one, and the inner, this one, and this one. Click OK. Here you can see final appearance. I think you all got a clear idea how to create this kind of flange pipe bend using SolidWorks. See you next time. Thank you.